The most important part of being a successful dropshipper is knowing what priorities are and how to structure them. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to structure your to-do lists and how to make sure not to forget everything you're doing and also not get distracted. This video is specifically going to be about the productivity and how to just think of planning out your day and in general your weeks and months to make sure that you actually achieve the results you want with dropshipping. I'm very curious if you enjoy this type of content, so please let me know if you actually do in the comments, so I basically know that productivity videos are actually doing really well on the channel and I do more. So let's just jump into my screen and let's get started with that. So to organize all of the to-dos you generally have, I would recommend using Trello, all right? I'm not sponsored by them, however, they're really good to actually make sure that you don't forget anything and that you keep everything in one place, all right? So, first of all, every single task you generally have, which you do on a day-to-day basis, which you basically currently are doing, is going to be here, all right? So, in progress. And this is going to be very important because all of the things which are going to be here, you're going to watch them every day, all right? However, those two things are just ideas which you generally want to try out in the next whenever, okay? So, for example, if you want to try out SMS marketing, you don't want to do it right now, it's not urgent at all, it's not a priority, however, you generally want to try it out. You're going to have it in the backlog, okay? And whenever you look at your to-do list, you're also going to see your backlog, and at some point you're going to think, you know what, I think now it's the time, and in the next 30 to 60 days, I should actually start doing this. And you basically move it over here, all right? Same thing goes for the reach out to influencers. If you think, all right, I want to do this in the next 30 to 60 days, however, I understand right now it is the most important part, I'm going to put it in progress personally, okay? Now, what's very important is every single task is your task, all right? For example, if you are not doing the ads in your business, all right, you have a person who's doing all the ads for you. Making ads is still going to be here because the first thing is in your task and then you outsource that to whoever is doing your ads, okay? And for example, if you don't want to reach out to all the influencers by yourself, you literally just take this and give it to and assign it to the person who actually needs to do that. And then basically you're going to have all the things they need to do in one place. So you're going to be able to look at that and ask them, hey, did you already reach out to the 150 influencers? Did you try the new scroll stoppers? Did you find a new customer support virtual assistant? Whatever it is, whatever their tasks are, you're basically going to be able to see how far they actually are done or if they're slacking, okay? And everything is going to be in one place. And also, when they are done, they're going to put it into their personal done list. So whatever they did, they're going to put it here. And you're going to do the same. So whenever you tried the new upsells, you're basically going to put it in here, done, and that's it, okay? And here, this slot sheet needs to be for every single either virtual assistant or generally employee you have. And you basically need to have everything in one overview. And that's crucial because every time I see I have an idea and I really want to do it, if I don't put it here, I'm not going to do it. Because I'm going to forget, because it's just an idea. If I write it down somewhere, it's not visible, okay? It's not going to be there every single day following me in my day-to-day, basically to-dos, all right? And then you're also going to have a weekly/long-term list, which is basically things which you do by a week-by-week basis, all right? For example, checking ads or whatever it is for you. If you do it a couple of times a week or a couple of times a day, you just put it in there. Basically, that's a day-to-day task and you just have it constantly. You don't have to put it always here because it's a given that you need to do that and that's it. So trust me, if you do this, your productivity is going to go through the roof, and especially all the tasks which you kind of constantly postpone, you're going to be able to do them much quicker with this, okay? However, this is not going to replace a day-to-day to-do list. All right, this is just a general overview over all the tasks you have all over the place, okay? So what is very important is having a to-do list on a day-by-day level as well. Okay? And I have a video where I talk about exactly that. I'm going to link it somewhere here. Trust me, check this out, because if you don't watch the second video, this was not really helpful. So if you do this, and on top of that, you're going to implement everything I say in the next video, and it's basically my calendar structure and how exactly I structure my day-to-day life. Okay? It's crucial to have this structured out by a 15 to 30 minute blocks, and I'm going to show you exactly how to break it down, how to make sure that you are doing the most important things and you're focusing on the priorities instead of wasting your time on bullshit. Okay, you're literally going to get way more done at the same exact time period. Okay, and this is gonna result, and this will result into you making more money. It's as simple as that. So check out the second video, and also if you want to work with me one-on-one in a mentoring program, click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session. We're gonna figure out if everything is a good fit. If yes, we're gonna get started. And there I'm actually gonna look over your to-do list, and I'm gonna tell you, this is bullshit, this is bullshit, this is bullshit, this is great, this is the most important part, this is what you need to focus on, all of the rest is time waste, okay? And those things are crucial, because most people who are actually not making it work in dropshipping, it's not because they don't do enough, it's because they do too much. And they focus on things which are a complete waste of time. All right. So in the program, I'm constantly going to be looking out over your shoulder and telling you if you're going in the right direction or not. So if you actually want to join, click the link below and see you there.